Every day, more than 5 million glasses of Cola-Cao are enjoyed around the world, either in its hot or cold version. This delicious chocolate drink has conquered the palate of countless people who find in its taste a source of pleasure and energy. But have you ever wondered how Cola-Cao is made? Join me on a fascinating journey to the factory of Adelia Foods, the company in charge of bringing this beloved product to life. The origins of Cola-Cao can be traced back to a small place located in the heart of Barcelona's bustling Gracia neighborhood, one of the most emblematic and popular places in Barcelona. It was in this picturesque setting that two visionary entrepreneurs, José María Ventura and José Ignacio Ferrero, began a project that would change the history of beverages in Spain. In that modest space, these two pioneers began to work hard to create a unique product, made with care and artisanal dedication. That's how the idea came about to bring to life a revolutionary blend that would combine cocoa, sugar, and other precisely selected ingredients. This innovative creation was officially registered under the name Cola-Cao in 1945, marking the beginning of an era. Backed by careful craftsmanship and a name that promised quality and flavor, the product was launched on the Spanish market just a year after its creation. Since then, Cola-Cao has become a symbol of tradition and excellence in the field of beverages, conquering the palates of entire generations. The main ingredient in Cola-Cao is cocoa, but how does Adelia Food obtain this raw material? It all starts in the warm tropical lands where cacao comes from, a place where the climate of heat and humidity is fundamental to the delicate cultivation of cacao trees, the trees that generate the coveted cacao pods. When they reach their optimum point of ripeness, they are carefully harvested by hand, opened, and the precious cocoa beans that they house inside are extracted. Once obtained, these beans are meticulously rested for several days, allowing their aromas and flavors to fully develop in a process known as fermentation. Subsequently, the fermented beans are exposed to the sun for drying before being stored in jute sacks for further processing. You may have heard of nibs, tiny fragments that result from the breakdown of cocoa beans. These nibs are roasted, ground, and transformed into the characteristic cocoa powder we know. This last step of roasting and pressing is crucial to get the desired flavor and texture in the final product. Cola-Cao Original stands out for its commitment to natural cocoa, avoiding any chemical process that could alter its composition. This implies several important benefits: preservation of all the nutritional properties, preservation of the original characteristics such as the color, flavor, and acidity of the fruit, and maintenance of the texture. By opting for natural cocoa, the integrity of the product is preserved, and an authentic experience is offered in every sip. Accompanying the delicious taste of cocoa, we find a careful selection of ingredients that complement the Cola-Cao original experience. Among them, sugar stands out, which provides a perfect balance of sweetness. Cola malted cereal cream, an exquisite blend that enhances the flavor and provides a smooth and creamy texture. Wheat flour, which adds body and consistency to the product. Barley malt extract, known for its nutritional properties and characteristic taste. Cola nut extract, which adds a touch of freshness and vitality. And essential elements such as calcium and phosphorus, which contribute to the maintenance of bone and dental health. All complemented by natural aromas that enhance the sensory experience, and a pinch of salt to bring out the flavors and balance the blend. Then we proceed to the ingredient mixing stage. First, the mixer is prepared, ensuring its cleanliness and optimal operation. The ingredients are then added in a specific order: cocoa powder, sugar, followed by flavorings and other ingredients. The mixer is turned on, and the ingredients are mixed for several minutes to ensure an even, lump-free distribution. After mixing, a sample is taken for quality testing in the laboratory. As for the process of adding flavorings, these are prepared in separate areas to avoid any risk of cross-contamination, thus ensuring the purity of the final product. Once ready, they are carefully incorporated into the base mix in the mixer, either in liquid or powder form, depending on the needs of the process. These flavors, carefully selected from natural and artificial options, are carefully chosen to ensure that the final product achieves the desired flavor and aroma, meticulously adjusting to the recipe specifications and required intensity. After the addition of the flavorings, the mixer is started for several minutes, allowing the ingredients to melt evenly and homogeneously. This process ensures an equal distribution of flavors throughout the blend, preventing lumps from forming and ensuring a consistent sensory experience with every sip. At the packaging stage, the Cola-Cao mixture is packed in airtight containers, which can be made of plastic, aluminum, or paper, depending on local regulations and geographic location. These containers are filled with the precise amount of product, sealed and labeled with nutritional information and expiration date. Before starting the packaging process, the machines are prepared, verifying their good condition and calibrating them for the size and shape of the containers to be used. The containers are then placed in the packaging machines, which can be of different materials and sizes. The Cola-Cao mixture is transported through pipes to the packaging machines, where it is filled into the containers with precision to ensure the correct amount of mixture in each one. The containers are then hermetically sealed, using heat, pressure, or adhesive, depending on the type of container. After the containers are filled and sealed, they are labeled with important information such as manufacturing date, expiration date, nutritional information, and ingredients. Subsequently, the containers are grouped into packages and stored in a cool, dry place until they are shipped to retailers or distributors. To ensure the excellence of the finished product, extensive testing and quality control is implemented throughout the entire manufacturing process. From the moment raw materials are received to the packaging stage, rigorous evaluations are carried out to maintain the highest quality standards. Initially, raw materials are tested to ensure suitability before being admitted to the plant. During production, periodic samples are taken to verify the uniformity and consistency of the product under development. In addition, thorough taste and aroma tests are carried out to confirm that Cola-Cao achieves the taste standards expected by consumers. Rigorous tests are also carried out to ensure compliance with food and environmental safety regulations, thus guaranteeing the safety of the product. Once the manufacturing process is complete, a detailed visual inspection of the final product and packaging is carried out, ensuring that there are no noticeable defects and that it presents an attractive appearance suitable for marketing. To safeguard the health of the consumer, thorough microbiological analyses are carried out to detect and eliminate any presence of harmful microorganisms that may pose a health risk. In addition, sensory tests are carried out with a panel of consumers to evaluate aspects such as the taste, aroma, and texture of the final product, thus ensuring a satisfactory sensory experience for customers. Finally, this exquisite product is taken to the stores to supply all lovers of Cola-Cao grumitos, ensuring that every sip is an unparalleled experience. If you liked the video, like it and don't forget to subscribe. In the windows that you will see below, there are more videos that may catch your attention. Go ahead and watch some of them.